Hello, today we start with the rounding of the measured quantity. If the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. That is, if digit to be dropped is 4 or less, the preceding digit is to be left unchanged. For example, in the number 64.62, if the number to be dropped is 2, which is lesser than the 5, then the number is left unchanged. If the number to be dropped is 1, which is lesser than the 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. Similarly, in this case, if the number to be dropped is 3, then the result is 546. Second rule, if the digit to be dropped is more than 5, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. In other words, if the digit to be dropped is 6 or more, then the preceding digit is to be raised by 1. For example, in number 3.479, if the number to be dropped is 9, which is greater than 5, the preceding digit is raised by 1 and the result is 3.48. If number to be dropped is 6, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 and the result is 93.5. Similarly, if the number to be dropped is 7, then the result is 684. If the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by the digits other than the 0, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. For example, in number 62.354, if the digit 5 is dropped, then the number being rounded off to the first decimal place as 62.4. If the number to be dropped is 5, then this number is raised by 1 and the reading is 9.66. If the number to be dropped is 5 followed by the non-zero digit, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 and the result is 590. If the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by 0 or nothing, the last remaining digit is increased by 1 if it is odd but left as if it is even. Suppose the number is 53.350 and the number to be dropped is 5 followed by 0. Then preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. So the result is 53.4. If the number to be dropped is 5 followed by nothing, then preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. So the result is 9.46. If the number to be dropped is 5 followed by non-zero digits or nothing, then the preceding digit is left unchanged if it is even and the result is 782. Now, how we do the mathematical operations when we add or subtract the two quantities? In addition or subtraction, the final result should retain as many decimal places as there in the numbers with the least decimal places. For example, when we add 13.2, 34.654, 59.53, the result is 107.4. The number of digits after the decimal in this reading is 1, in this reading 3, in this reading 2. The minimum number of decimal places in these values is 1. So the result also contain only one decimal place. So to retain one decimal place, we have to drop 8 as 8 is greater than the 5, so the preceding digit is raised by 1 and the result is 107.4. Similarly, in this case, when we subtract the quantities, now the number of decimal places in this reading is 0. In this reading, number of decimal places are 3, in this 1. The minimum number of the decimal places in this values is 0. So the result contain no decimal places. So from the result, we have to drop 8 as it is larger than 5. So the preceding digit is raised by 1 and the result is 3. When we multiply or divide the quantities, then the final result would round to the same number of significant digits as the least accurate number. That is, the final result would round off to the same number of significant digits as the least measured value. For example, retain the minimum number of significants as it occurs in the quantities to be computed. For example, 1.5 into 3.67 into 2.986 is equal to 16.4379. This digit contains two significant figures. It contains 3, it contains 4. So the minimum number of significant figures in a measured quantity is 2. So the result also has only two significant figures. The number to be dropped is 4, which is lesser than the 5. So the preceding digit is left unchanged and the result is 16. Same thing is followed when we divide the two quantities. When we divide 6.579 by 4.56, the result is 1.502. Now, this digit contains 4 significant digits. This number contains 3 significant digits. So, the minimum number is 3 number of the significant digits. So, in the final result, there should be 3 significant figures. So we have to drop 8, which is greater than 5. So the preceding digit is raised by 1 and the result is 1.502.